onions from here? That's crazy. That's Western Canadian crazy for Ryan. That is nuts. I'm going to have to put a string up. Look at the size of some of these guys. Right on. Woohoo! The mulch is doing a good job. Oh, the tomatoes just exploded. I knew they were going to take up a bunch of room. You were not even here the last time I was here. Get. Huh? Oh, sunflowers coming on. Man, a little bit of rain and a week later. All right, Brussels sprouts. First time. Oh, shrimpy. And what do we got here? So this is pak choi seeds. I'm assuming. Interesting. Man, these are looking good. Obviously a little more weeding is in order. Alright, so Swiss chards is coming up strong. What do I got in here? Oh, these radishes gotta come out today. Oops, my bad. Nice. So yeah, I'll clear out a couple of spots in here. I think I'll plunk a couple of other things in here. These are not what I thought they were. So they're gonna go. Well, we'll get this all cleaned up. And, alright. More chamomile to harvest. Loving it. Cool. Check back in a bit. So we get this basically weeded. There's a couple more things that can get yanked out as I notice them, but basically done. But I have a concern here. I just noticed that there's two of these potato plants that just do not look good. I mean, those stems are still green, but like, oh, now you're starting to get on that one. So I don't know. I don't really know what's going on here. And this one here, though, looks far worse as far as I'm concerned. Like, that's all soft, and so I'm taking these out. These went in on the 18th of May, so that's only like 7 weeks, 50 days ish. There's no way. I mean, there are some flowers, so I think that means they're making small ones, but I don't think there's any way that I'm getting a harvest out of those two, but they got to come out. I don't need everything else getting sick. So give me a second here. We'll tear these out of here. All right. Well, color me moderately impressed. I didn't think after 49 days there'd be much of anything. It's enough for a family of 4 small mice, hey? That's not bad. Whatever, they had to come out. They're not soft or anything. They look fine, but that plant sure didn't. So I'll rip the other one out here and we'll see what's hiding under there. Here's from the second batch, from this one here. This is the one that was really concerning me. Like, look at the stem. It's like hollow, and like the root down here just doesn't look, like that one doesn't look too bad, but this is getting mushy. So if somebody out there knows what that is, I'm going to have to look it up because I can't stand not knowing that. But these are getting the heck out of here. Well, you can go in hot water just like everything else, I guess. But these are getting out of my garden. And I'm going to bring my whopping first potato harvest home. Wee-hee! Alright, we'll talk to you later. Alright. It's so jelly watching everyone else do their potato reveals. We got her zeroed off. I don't even think that I need a bowl for this. This huge harvest. This is going to be awesome. Wow. Stunning. Oh, I mean, at least I got something. Are we even going to count these little tiny fellers? Or I'm going to eat them. So why not? They all count in my books. Approaching a half a pound. Approaching. You know, if I look at it from this angle and put my finger on it, that is so close to a half a pound. That is too funny. So those were in the ground for 48 days. So I guess for 48 days, that's not bad. I'm glad I got those diseased ones out of there, and hopefully the rest of them don't have any problems. All right, talk to you later.